Okay, so I now know this is the inspection lot. Okay, so what I got from this table is inspection type 04, inspection type 04, inspection lot that is the lot. Okay, so what I'm going to get from this lot, what information, I'm going to get? Let's see what information we are going to get. So I'm opening another session just in case. Expand logistics, quality management, quality inspection, inspection lot, processing, display. This is my lot, correct? So from transaction, QA03, we can see a lot of information such as the product, plant, storage location, production order, okay, we got plant, storage location, production order, so this is a production order, this is the material, 04 inspection type, we know that, plant, okay. So go to inspection lot quantities, inspection specifications, usage data, allowed, okay. So I know the material now, so I would like to go and take a look at my material and see my quality view, because quality view is more important for me. I go to quality and I want to see as is what type of inspection types other than 04. Other than 04, I want to see in process 03, 04, 03 and 04. Now I'm only looking at 04, so it is active. Click on magnifying glass. That's going to give you, it's going to be posted to inspection stock, inspection with the task list, automatic assignments, and you have Q scores and all of this. Okay, very good. That's one thing I checked. And what would be the next thing I'm going to check? I'm going to see work scheduling view. Production storage location is 002. Okay, so the storage location is 1232. That's nice. And And also I would like to see production versions. How many production versions I have? There is no production version. You see that? So I will create one production version for this one. Okay. So in order to do that, from here what we formed, no production version. Okay. So let us create production version. Okay. So just a minute. Hello, ma. Banana. Mummy ni office. Okay. So user session is closed. Okay. So I have to log on again. I think it is someone is killed my session, or maybe the internet. Okay. Anyway, ECC ADDAS. Okay, not a problem. So we found from this investigation that the production version is not there. Okay. So to see the production version is linked with three things. One is routing. The second one is BOM. Third one is the lot size. Okay. So let me go and first take a look at the routing. Production planning and the master data. Routing, this is not process. Standard routing, change. I'm going to change because we already have a routing. Okay, enter. So what I really need from here to create a production version is the routing number. Okay, how do I get that number? Go to header and you have this group number. You see this? This is the one I need. Okay, routing group number is needed for creating production version. What else you need? You also need BOM. Okay, you need BOM. Okay, so /ncs02 is change BOM. BOM usage for production. Enter. From this, you see, I have a BOM. And this BOM is having many components. Control Y. If you use Control Y, you will get this plus. Hold it and copy all these. Control C. Then BOM. BOM components. To make P dash 200. Okay, so let's put these guys because we need these two. Okay, all of these materials we need to make this product. Okay, so we have these two, which is good. Then the next thing would be, if you take a look at these materials, you can see up to 500, 1, 200, 300, 1, 400, 500, up to 500, you have another bomb. This has got one more bomb underneath. Okay, so I want to make up to 500. The color I'll change it up to 500. That way we know that these are sub-assemblies. Okay, very good. So the next thing what I would like to do is I will create another bomb, because we don't need really so many components here to make it. We'll make it very simple. Okay, we'll make it simple. So how do I make it simple? I'll have this, and maybe these two, 100-600, 100-700. These are the two materials which I'm going to use. Okay, I'll show you how to do this. Okay, I'm going to create a simple bomb now. Okay, so how do I create a simple bomb? Bill of materials, bill of material, bill of material, create. This is the material, right? Enter. It is saying, my dear friend, you already have one bomb. Do you want to add one more? Yes. Is that information? Yes, it is information. Okay, it's not error. Hit enter. Okay, what are your components? My components are these two. Okay, I'll take this one only because I'm telling you I want to have a very simple one. Okay, how much you need? 4. Enter. Why 4? I'll make it one base. Okay, over. Select this material and try to default the storage location for this material. How do I do that? Select the line item, go to item, and once you come here, you are in basic data. Click on status, long text, production, storage, location for support base. Go to drop down. See, we have the storage location. You have 001. Let me select that and save it. So I have alternative 2. Okay, with alternative 2, I will create another routing. Create routing, same material, but I'm going to create one more. You see this? You already have one. Create one more, new entry, and you got number 2. What is the use? Production. Is it released? Yes. 4. Lot size from 1 to 100 pieces only. Operations. Work center. Enter. Lathe machine. Control key. PP01. description, final, assembly, enter. Okay, so this activity is not there. How many minutes? To set up the machine, how many minutes I'm going to take? 60 minutes. For machining, how much I take? 600 minutes. This one is wrong. Labor, yes, machine is working for 600 minutes. Some labor is also going to stay near the machine for 600 minutes. Standard text is copied automatically. It's an information, nothing to worry. Click on tick mark. Okay. Now you click on component allocation. That's where I'm going to pick my BOM number 2. You see, you have two. One is created by somebody, number 2 created by me. So put number 2, say OK. So that way you'll get only one component, not all these components, right? Okay, that's good. Then after that, select this line item and see the group number 95. Okay, is that the same group number 95? Yeah, group number remains same, not in a different group. We are creating in the same group, which is good. Select this line item, assign this. How? New assignment. How many operations you have? Only one operation. How do I know? Click here. See, one operation. You assigned it. Okay. After the assignment, go ahead and save it. That means you created another routing with another BOM. Now let us create a production version. So you have two options to create production version. You can create from here or go to change material master, enter, deselect everything, select work scheduling view, enter, enter, click on production versions, put your version name. My version is 001 Berhanu. Is it valid from today? If yes, pick the date. Okay, valid from today to 1 year, which means I simply change. Again, put your cursor near on this, say details. Now what is your lot size? You said 1 to 100 only. And what is the this thing? Routing. You remember your group number 50000, I think 95. Let's go back here, Control C, Control V. Counter is not 1, 2, because you have two routings, not just one. Similarly, alternative BOM 2, not 1. In order to get the one which you are looking for, you are looking for the one you created, which is 2, not 1. This is usage. Okay. Now I will say check. This is cancel. Don't cancel it. This is cancel. Don't cancel it. Click here. Green, green. Continue. Continue. save. Okay, very good. So now we have everything that we need to produce, correct? So let's produce. How do I produce? Go back all the way. Shop floor control, create, order, create with material, CO01. Okay, that's the first step. So planning plant, material, order type PP01, enter. So how many I'm creating, how many pumps I'm creating? 2 pumps. What type of scheduling? Current, today, enter. It's asking, gentlemen, you have two routings. Which one you want to select? I want to select number 2 because that's the one I created. You see, the one with Berhanu I selected. So release is already carried out. Automatically release is done. Okay. So if you would like to check on a couple of things, A, master data. You see this master data? But what happens is production version is not picked up. So we can go. Do you want to carry out a transaction aspect this way? Yes. I want to make sure okay, production version 0001. So what I really did is I saw here that my production version is not there. So I defaulted that. And once I default that, I can see my routing group number, my production version, my BOM, everything, right? So now what I would like to do is you can do capacity check if you want to. What is that I'm doing? Do I have enough capacity at my work center? Yes, I do. Do I have my input components? What is my input component in this case? Let us take a look at this component. My component is this one, support base. How many I need? 2. So the system made a check and it found out that there is enough stock. Go ahead and save it. There are some finance related, warehouse management related issues. We're not really worried at this point of time because we are not doing any finance related validation and the warehouse management validation. Our concern right now is quality. Okay. Oh, it's backed out. There's some issue in saving the order. Okay, so let me try one more time. Two, current, enter, number 2, save. Yes. Oh, so there is some technical issue. Okay, maybe we should use copy function. Let me use copy function. There is some issue, some program error. It's not saving. Let me try with other. Okay. Address not found. Okay. Okay, it's not really so I could not create a production order. Okay, let's see whether I can create a process order. Production order PP01, or maybe I should use a different production order type. Let's try with this. Okay, there's some program error. It's not allowing me to save it. Okay, there is some issue. So okay, Burhanu, what I want to do is I'll stop here. Let me investigate. Okay, so once I investigate, I will tell you. I'll fix it. Then tomorrow you and I can again do this. Okay, sorry for that.